Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome back to the 12 tags of Christmas. Today's tag is super easy. It's almost embarrassing, it's so easy, but it's really cute. So I have to show you guys because you could make this so easily and it's just adorable. So on this one I just used approximately a 2-inch piece of cardstock, and this one happens to be 4 1/4 inches long, but you can make it whatever size you want. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to shorten this one a little bit just to make it a little, no, I'm going to leave it the same because I'm giving half of these away, so I'm going to leave it the same just so that they'll be the same. But what I did for this one is, and I do like having a grid thing on my table, it really does help. This happens to be from Eco Pico, which you can find on Amazon, and it's really nice. So you can make the angle however you want to make the angle. On this particular one, I did it an inch. I did 1/4 inch by 1 inch, and that's where I drew my line. So I'll do this one the same. I'm just making 1/4 inch. I'm just holding a straight edge at the 1/4 inch and then at the inch. And then I just take my pencil and draw a line. And then I do the same thing on the other side. 1/4 inch to the inch, and draw my pencil line. Super easy, and that's all you need your pencil for. And then I'm going to take my scissors and snip both of those off. And just like on the one I did before, I learned from my first card a little bit of a different technique that I'm going to do on this one, but I'm going to take my hole punch and just punch a hole. And then I'm going to take a marker, whatever color matches your washi, and do the edges first. This is what I didn't do on the first one. And I think it would just make it a little nicer if I did it first, because then you'll be able to see it all along. And because this is an alcohol marker, it shines through to the other side, so I'm just going to do the other side too. Just like that. And then this is such an easy card, or an easy tag. I have lots of washi, and I have lots of Christmas washi that I keep in my little thing. You can use whatever kind of washi floats your boat. I happen to really like these snowflakes, and I really like the polar bears, or the penguins. I would like polar bears too. Anything that's crittery. And then I'm just putting some washi down, and I'm folding it over to the back. And then I'm just going to bring it around and cover up where I started, and then trim it off. And then I'm doing that with 2 strips, so I'm doing it also with my penguin. And I'm leaving a little bit of space between the two just for fun. That is so easy. It's almost hard to even say this is a DIY, but it is, because why not, you know? And then I'm going to take some ribbon. This is just some that I had in my stash, and I liked it because it was blue, which kind of matches the theme of the card on this one. And I'm just taking it and putting it through the hole. I like fold it in half, put it through the hole, and then I put my fingers through the loop and bring the tag forward. And then you have to be really a little bit careful just to make sure that you don't, because if you pulled hard you would rip the paper. I mean, it's just paper, so remember that when you're doing it. So you might have to play with it a little bit just to make it tighter. And if they're different sizes and that bugs you, you can cut them off. I think it's kind of fun. It doesn't bother me at all. And you're done. Ta-da! So thanks for watching, guys. I know this was a quick and easy one, but sometimes that's what you need. So hope you enjoy it, and it's good for any actually, you could do this for any season. You could do birthday ones, do birthday tags. How cute would that be? Or if you wanted to celebrate something else, Cinco de Mayo, whatever washi you have, you could make it whatever holiday or celebration you want. So thanks. Bye-bye.